money in politics. And this is a sad thing to say, but in America, you have money and you have public safety. And when you ask the politicians to make a decision between money and public safety, sadly, they go with the money every time. And the common sense thing that we talked about earlier just is, it's not there. If you want a stop sign in America, somebody has to get run over. Just because the neighbors say that's a dangerous intersection, we need a stop sign, there won't be one. But if somebody gets run over, all of a sudden, oh, let's put a stop sign in there so this never happens again. Mm-hmm. So we pay for a stop sign with a life. We paid for sprinklers in Chapel Hill with 5 young lives. That's the uphill battle we face, is money in politics.
Unless the public is educated, don't you think? I mean,
Right.
They need to be educated to just demand fire sprinklers in a new home that's being built. They don't do that. I mean, they don't
They
know
don't
to do
know
it.
to do
The
it.
public
don't-
doesn't know.
Yeah,
I
they don't know.
That's not an excuse anymore. We can do better than that, and we should do better than that. You know, it's about saving lives, and that's what we're here for. No more of it costs too much, because everybody in this room, everybody in this world is irreplaceable. End of story.
That's why we're here. We all have the common voice, and it just amplifies us as a group. You know, going to D.C., Capitol Hill, pushing for more fire safety laws, and you know, the high rises, the college dorms, nursing homes, modern lightweight construction. It's just, you know, we need to grow our voice. I think we need more advocates on board, but it's just, I learned very quickly in that one day, just the power of one voice.